Platinum Tech's 10-piece 10mm socket assortment set includes a full range of standard, deep, flex, chrome and impact sockets, in 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive sizes. This set also includes a convenient storage rail. The impact sockets are manufactured from chrome-molybdenum steel for strength and durability, while the chrome sockets are made from heat-treated chrome-vanadium steel for corrosion resistance. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.